What if I told you that every choice you make has a hidden cost? Even the decision you're making right now has one. Imagine you only have 3 hours today. You can spend them studying economics or watching your favorite web series. But here's the catch. You can't spend all 3 hours doing both. Choosing one means giving up the other.
Economists call this sacrifice opportunity cost, and the model that explains it is called the Production Possibility Frontier, or PPF.
So, what exactly is a production possibility frontier? Let's make it incredibly simple. A PPF shows the maximum possible combinations of two goods that an economy can produce when all resources are used efficiently. Suppose a country produces only laptops and pizzas. If it decides to produce more laptops, fewer resources remain to make pizzas. Resources like workers, machines, and raw materials are limited. That's why choices become unavoidable. Every point on the curve represents efficient use of resources. Nothing is wasted. Now look at point X inside the curve. It means some workers or machines are sitting idle. Resources aren't being fully used. Point Y lies outside the curve. It represents a production level that isn't possible with today's available resources. This simple graph teaches us one powerful lesson. Scarcity forces every economy to make choices. Let's increase laptop production from one point on the curve to another. To produce those extra laptops, the economy gives up 500 pizzas. Those pizzas are the opportunity cost. Opportunity cost is always the value of the next best alternative that you sacrifice. This is also why the PPF curve is bowed outward. As production increases, opportunity cost usually becomes larger. Think about government spending. If more money goes toward hospitals, fewer resources remain for building highways. As students, every hour spent scrolling social media is 1 hour you didn't spend studying. That lost study time is your opportunity cost. Businesses face the same problem. Producing more cars often means producing fewer bikes. Here's a common exam mistake. Production possibility frontier is not the same as the demand and supply graph.
Another mistake is thinking points inside the curve are efficient. They actually represent unemployment or wasted resources.
And remember, opportunity cost isn't always money. It can be time, resources, or any valuable alternative you give up. Simply remember this definition. Opportunity cost is the value of the next best alternative foregone. Let's quickly revise everything you've learned. Now you know why every choice has a hidden cost, and why the production possibility frontier is one of the most important concepts in economics. If this video made PPF easy to understand, don't forget to subscribe to educatii for simple economics lessons every week.